Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're seeing fake your phone is infected virus alerts or pop-ups on your Android device, don't worry. Today I will show you how to remove virus notifications and clean your phone safely. Let's get into it. First of all, don't tap on those suspicious pop-ups or alerts. They are usually fake warnings from malicious websites or shady apps trying to trick you. To disable all third-party apps temporarily, hold the power button, tap and hold power off, and then tap safe mode. This stops background apps that could be causing the notification. Third step is to clear browsing history and pop-ups. Go to Chrome or your browser. Tap three dots menu icon at the top right. Go to settings. Scroll down and locate this option called site settings and tap on it. Again scroll down and find this option called pop-ups and redirects and block them as I have done here. Fourth step is to uninstall suspicious apps. Go to settings, locate this option called apps, tap on it, and look for the apps you don't recognize or didn't install yourself, especially ones without icons or names like Cleaner, Speed Booster, etc. Tap and uninstall them. Fifth step is to disable notification access. Some apps abuse notification access. For that, go to settings, then locate this option called notifications and tap on it. Go to advanced settings and then to notification history. And here, check if a shady app has access and revoke it. If nothing works, back up your data and do a factory reset. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called general management and tap on it. Scroll down and tap reset. Again, scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap Factory Data Reset. This will wipe your device completely, so use it as a final option. And that's how to remove fake virus notifications and protect your Android phone. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.